Dear friends, it has often been said that the freedom of religion in a country is like a litmus test of reliability, determine the degree of democracy, of rule of law, and of respect for human rights in this country. This freedom, however, must not be understood in a negative sense, just as an absence of obstacles. The protection of human rights owed by the state to its citizens requires positive freedom. This means that the state positively respects these rights by introducing various measures to encourage and promote the exercise thereof. The state understands this kind of its citizens' needs, admits their legitimacy and value, and supports them in various ways. Also, freedom of religion is to be understood in this way, which is the case in most European countries. The state grants its citizens the right to freely and publicly express their religious belief, and moreover, it creates favorable conditions in which believers and their religious communities can completely fulfill their religious needs. The range of this support in each particular case is the measure of the goodwill or hostility of a state towards the religion of its citizens and their religious communities. Everything said also applies to the sensitive sphere of religious education of children and youth. One of the fundamental human rights is also the right of parents to provide their children with religious education in accordance with their religious belief. It is difficult to explain why, in this respect, Slovenia finds it so difficult to adopt a system comparable to other European countries. The Constitution of the Republic of Slovenia does not imply any hostility towards or restriction of religious freedom. Yet, the mindset in the country is as it is. This is our reality. If we agree, however, that the degree of religious freedom and the goodwill towards religion and the church are an indicator of the respect for human rights as such in a society, then our efforts, including this conference, are not just endeavors to achieve more religious freedom. They are also aimed at achieving more respect for human rights in whole, more democracy and mutual respect, more political culture, as well as other kinds of culture, including this of human hearts. Dear friends, thank you for coming to our country. Thank you for your collaboration in this important field, which religious education certainly is. I wish you a successful conference as well as a pleasant stay among us.